Hi guys, it's Aaron from Hawkeye Projects. Really appreciate you visiting my landing page. I thought I'd put together a video for you so you've got a bit more of an idea who you're dealing with if you decide to schedule an appointment. I've been a builder for more than 20 years, progressing from being on the tools to eventually owning my own construction company. So I actually have a real passion for building, and it honestly comes out in our builds. Just up the back of our office here are the Northern Suburbs, and they are genuinely booming. There is literally land as far as the eye can see, and we've got access to all of it. We've got some fantastic deals happening with all of our developers up there, so jump on now. We've got 5 awesome designs. You can see on our website there that, what kind of designs they are. They have some fantastic features, and we've even got some really cool cottage homes that will fit onto 8 and 10 metre blocks. They're lovely cottage homes, beautifully designed, and we've even got colours all sorted for you as well. So if you don't really want to go through the colour process, then we can help you with that too. It's all about maximum return with minimal cost. So it's all about where you invest the money into your home. We've got some fantastic trades, all qualified, and we're ready to build straight away for you guys. So just touch base with us on the link below, and you'll probably end up getting through to me. So I'm more than happy to have a chat to you and discuss your needs. Look forward to catching up with you.